Welcome to AffairsCloud. My name is Vikas Rana. We are one-stop solution for current affairs. You can find Crack Current Affairs course on our application exclusively for current affairs, where you will get daily, weekly, monthly content on regular basis. Use the code Vikas10 and get 10% additional discount while purchasing the course. Also, students, follow us on Telegram and Instagram. The link for the same are mentioned in our description. This video has both English and Hindi. The first part is English and second part is Hindi. Timestamps are mentioned in the description below.
Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are all good. Students, in this video we will be discussing important current affairs for the topic sports for July month. It will be an important session for you all. Stay tuned with us till then. If you are new here, students, do subscribe to us. We are one-stop solution for current affairs. Let's start. The first question is, who won the Austrian Grand Prix that was held at the Red Bull Ring in Spielberg, Styria, Austria in June 26? So, who has won this Austrian Grand Prix? The Austrian Grand Prix here was won by George Russell. George Russell, he drives for Mercedes. Right? He drives for Mercedes. He is from Italy. I correct, he drives for Mercedes and he is from not Italy, he is from UK. Right? Then on second position was Max Verstappen. Then Kimi Antioli. Kimi Antioli is from Italy. And Max Verstappen, he is from Netherlands. Next, in June, following the conclusion of the group stage of the ICC Women's T20 World Cup in England, ICC confirmed that the Indian women's cricket team secured direct qualification for what? They secured the direct qualification for 2028 LA Olympic Games. Next, which team has won the 2026 ICC Women's T20 World Cup by defeating England in the final held at the Lord's Cricket Ground in London in July? So which team won it? It was won by Australia. Right? So ICC Women's T20 World Cup was won by whom? It was won by Australia. Right? Take a note of this. And this is their 7th time. This is their 7th title. That is 7th time they have won this World Cup. Correct, students? They defeated whom? They defeated England in the finals. Where was the event held? The event was held at the Lord's Cricket Ground in London. This is the location that you need to take a note of. Next, students, who became India's youngest international cricket debutant at 15 years and 99 days, breaking Sachin Tendulkar's 36-year-old record during his T20 international debut against England at Old Trafford, Manchester, England in July. So we all know the famous cricketer Vaibhav Suryavanshi. He has broken Sachin Tendulkar's record of the youngest cricketer. He also broke Shefali Verma's record, India's youngest overall international debutant at 15 years of age and 239 days. Next, identify the city where under 15 and under 20 Asian Wrestling Championship organized by United Nations Wrestling were held, in which Indian wrestlers secured 21 medals in the under 15 category and 20 medals in the under 20 category. So right option, Pattaya, Thailand. Right, students? Next. In July, 17-year-old Ashwath S. from Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu became India's 98th Grandmaster. So question can be asked that Ashwath Surya, he is of what age? 17 years. He is from which state? He is from Tamil Nadu. And he became which number of Grandmaster? He became the 98th Grandmaster from India. Next, name the driver who won the F1 Pirelli British Grand Prix held at the Silverstone circuit in Northern Sphere, England, marking the first victory of 2026 F1 series and Ferrari's 250th F1 Grand Prix triumph. So name that driver. Right option, Charles Leclerc. Right? And if we talk about this, the podium finishers, Mercedes driver George Russell secured 2nd position and Ferrari's driver Lewis Hamilton secured 3rd position. Then next is name that state that will host 8th edition of Khelo India Youth Games. So this is the 8th edition of Khelo India Youth Games, sponsored by Union Minister Mansukh Mandviya, right? So name that state that will host this 8th edition of Khelo India Youth Games. So it is Telangana that will be hosting the 8th edition of Khelo India Youth Games. Next, students, name the Indian cricketer who was inducted into the ICC Hall of Fame during the annual conference in July in Edinburgh, Scotland, becoming the 12th Indian overall and 10th Indian male cricketer to receive the honor. Right option, Saurav Ganguly. The honor conferred on his 54th birthday made Ganguly the 12th Indian overall and 10th Indian male cricketer to be inducted into the Hall of Fame. Next, students, find the team defeated by Indian women's cricket team in the first ever women's test at the Lord's Cricket Ground in London in July. So find the team defeated by the Indian women's cricket team. Right option, it is England. Right? Next. In July, ICC, they inducted Anjum Chopra, the former Indian women's cricket captain, and Kevin Peterson, the former England captain, into the ICC Hall of Fame during the annual conference in Edinburgh, Scotland. With their induction, the total number of ICC Hall of Fame inductees reached what? It reached 125. Here, Anjum Chopra. If we talk about her, Anjum Chopra, she is third Indian women, correct, and 13th overall Indian to be inducted into the ICC Hall of Fame. So these were your important sports related current affairs, students. Now let's move to some other. Okay, there are other questions. Let's cover them first. First is 2026 Asian Under 23 Athletics Championship, the inaugural edition. Inaugural edition means this is the first ever edition of it, right? This inaugural edition of the International Athletics Competition held at where? It was held in Ordos, China. So this is Under 23 Athletics Championship of 2026 held in Ordos, China, and this is the first edition of it. Here in this, India, we secured 4th in the medal tally with a total of 16 medals. Next, who won the first ever Women's T20 International Series 2026, defeating Sri Lanka Deaf Women's Cricket Team by 5-0 at Sri Lanka? So, which team won this? It is your Indian Deaf Women's Cricket Team that has won the first ever Women's T20 International Series 2026 by defeating the Sri Lankan's Deaf Women's Cricket Team by 5-0 in the finals. Next, in July, name the mascot that was unveiled by Delhi's Chief Minister Rekha Gupta for 22nd Commonwealth Table Tennis Championship at Tyagaraja Stadium, which was inspired by Indian peacock and represents energy, enthusiasm, pride and unity. What is the name of that mascot? It is Mayur. Mayur is the name of that mascot. Important, students, take a note. Then next is, in July, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports granted conditional recognition to which sports federation, enabling it to resume governance and participation in the national and international competition. So, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports granted conditional recognition to which sports federation? It was Judo Federation of India. Take a note of this, students. Then next is, identify the team that clinched the second FIFA World Cup title by defeating Argentina in the final. So who won the FIFA World Cup lately? The FIFA World Cup was won by Spain. They defeated Argentina in the finals, right? Who won the golden ball? That is the best player, Rodri of Spain. Correct? This is important. Then next is, Union Minister Mansukh Mandviya along with Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, Badminton Association of Indian President cum Chief Minister of Assam, unveiled the official mascot for Badminton World Federation. So what is the mascot for Badminton World Federation? It is a peacock, right? Pico. It is a peacock, right? The name is Pico. It is inspired by peafowl, the female peacock. Correct? Take a note. Also remember, this is the 30th edition. of the BWF World Championship scheduled to be held from 27 to 23rd of August at Indira Gandhi Indoor Stadium in New Delhi. Next, in July, which country was announced as the host of the 14th edition of the South Asian Federation Games scheduled from 23rd to 31st of March 2027? So, which country was announced as the host of 14th edition of South Asian Federation Games? Pakistan. Take a note. Next, students, who won the gold medal at the inaugural means the first edition of the Menuires International Chess Championship held in Savoy, France from 11th to 18th of July. So who won the gold medal here? The gold medal here was won by S. Rohit Krishna. Next, which international multi-sport event for athletes with disabilities in India is India bidding to host? That means India is bidding to host a multi-sport event for the athletes with the disabilities as per the MOU signed by the Paralympic Committee of India and the Cerebral Palsy Sports Federation of India in July in New Delhi. So which international multi-sport event we are targeting? It is 2029 World Ability Sports Games. Next, which country's footballer Nicolas Otamendi retired from international football in July after 17 years of career? He was from Argentina, who has announced retirement. Even Cristiano Ronaldo has stated that this year will be his last year and from next year he might take permanent retirement from football. So students, these were your important current affairs. Now let's move to the revision part that will be quite beneficial for you all.
MCQ is the Directorate General of Civil Aviation under the Ministry of Civil Aviation. They have successfully completed India's first satellite-based landing system approach on a commercial jet aircraft at which airport? So this was at which airport? It was at Maharana Pratap Airport, that is in Udaipur, Rajasthan. This is an important question, students, so do take a note. Correct? So this is India's first satellite-based landing system approach on a commercial jet aircraft that was used, and this was used to land this aircraft at Maharana Pratap Airport in Udaipur, Rajasthan. The demonstration used indigenous Gagan system here, right? That is a GPS system for India, right? And what was the commercial aircraft that was used here? It was Indigo, Airbus A320. This is the name and important to remember for this news. Next, identify the type of satellite system that Agnikul Cosmos and ICEYE, that ICEYE agreed to co-develop, launch and operate from India under MOU signed in July at the Bharat Innovation Summit in Nice, France. So identify the type of satellite system. The system here is synthetic aperture radar, that is your SAR. So it is Agnikul Cosmos along with I. They have signed this MOU. This MOU was signed during the Bharat Innovation Summit that was held in Nice, France. So one more question, friends, that Bharat Innovation Summit was held where? This can be asked in your question, that what is the location, where was this held? So it was held in Nice, France. Next, China. They have launched their latest oceanographic satellite that has been named what? The name is Haiyang 2E. It was launched using the Long March 4B rocket from Jiuquan Satellite Launch Center in northwest China. Next, find the mission for which CE-20 cryogenic engine was successfully hot tested by ISRO in July at the ISRO Propulsion Complex at Mahendragiri in Tamil Nadu. So find the what is the name of that mission? It is, or find the mission for which this cryogenic engine was successfully tested. This is Launch Vehicle Mark 3 mission. This is the name of the mission. Next, name the institution that developed India's first indigenous green refrigerant technology for hydrofluorine 1234YF in July 2026. So which institution developed this first indigenous green refrigerant technology for hydrofluorine? It is CSIR's arm, that is CSIR's arm, Indian Institute of Chemical Technology, located in Hyderabad, Telangana. Next, students, in July, ISRO, they successfully conducted the integrated main parachute airdrop test at the ADRDE drop zone in Shiopur, Madhya Pradesh to validate the main parachute system for what? It was for Gaganyaan G1 mission. Next, name the rocket whose first stage booster was successfully recovered for the first time by China using a sea-based net capture platform using their maiden launch in July from Hainan province in China. So name that rocket. This, so we can say here China, they have now also mastered the reusable rocket technology, and now the monopoly of SpaceX is gone. Even Japan, they have mastered this technology now. So which rocket first stage booster was successfully recovered? The rocket is Long March 10B. Next, which of the following tests was not conducted by ISRO in July as a part of the three major qualification tests for Gaganyaan crew module system? So which of the following test was not conducted here? So among the following, if we see, heat shield ablation performance test was not conducted, rest both of them were conducted. Next, identify the SpaceX agency that successfully conducted the first liftoff and landing test of its RVX reusable rocket prototype at the Noshiro Testing Center in Akita Prefecture. So identify that space agency. This is your JAXA, Japan Aerospace Space Exploration Agency. Next, in July, Kerala-based Hex20, a private space tech startup, successfully launched their second satellite. What is the name of that satellite? It is KOYO. KOYO. This was launched using the SpaceX Transporter 17 mission and as a multi-payload technology demonstration platform for in-orbit validation. Right. So what is the name of the satellite launched by Hex20? It is KOYO, and this Hex20 is a Kerala-based startup. Next, in July, identify the mission named under which Skyroot Aerospace Private Limited successfully launched India's first privately developed orbital class rocket Vikram 1 from Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. So identify the name of that mission. This is Agman. Right? This mission made India. With this, we became the third country after USA and China to achieve private orbital launch capability following the Indian space policy of 2023. Right, so we became the third nation to do so. Next, in July, who successfully conducted a microgravity research flight under the project Astra Farm, studying Maharashtra grown onions and potatoes to advance space agriculture and sustainable food systems in collaboration with National Research Council of Canada and Bhabha Atomic Research Center of India. So who successfully conducted this microgravity research? It was conducted by Captain Aman Johri.